Energy transformation. The energy in a system can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can simply change from one form into another. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. In the reservoir of a dam, water has potential energy. When water falls, it loses its potential energy and gains kinetic energy. If the falling water is made to rotate a turbine at the bottom of a dam, the kinetic energy of water is transferred to the turbine in the form of its kinetic energy, due to which it rotates. This kinetic energy is then transformed by the turbine into the electrical energy in the power generator. This electric generator or dynamo in turn converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. An electric motor is an arrangement in which electrical energy changes into the mechanical energy. An electric motor is used in many rotating devices such as fan, washing machine, etc. Electrical energy into heat energy. Most of the electrical appliances we use in our homes, such as electric heater, oven, geyser, toaster, etc., convert electrical energy into heat energy when in use. Electrical energy into sound energy. When an electric bell rings at your place, then conversion of electrical energy into sound energy is taking place. Similarly, a loudspeaker, when in use, converts electrical energy into sound energy. Similarly, a stereo system converts electrical energy into sound energy. Electrical energy into light energy. When the electric bulb glows on passing electric current through it, electrical energy changes into heat energy and light energy. Light energy into electrical energy. In a photoelectric cell, the light energy gets converted into the electrical energy. In solar cells, the light or solar energy changes into electrical energy. Heat energy into mechanical energy. In a steam engine, the chemical energy of the coal first changes to the heat energy of steam, and then the heat energy changes to mechanical energy. Chemical energy into electrical energy. This conversion takes place in a chemical cell. The chemical energy of the cell is converted into electrical energy. Chemical energy into heat energy. When fossil fuels such as wood, coal, gas, etc. are burned, chemical energy of these fuels changes into the heat energy. Chemical energy into mechanical energy. In automobiles, the chemical energy of petrol and diesel changes into the mechanical energy. Sound energy into electrical energy.
Thank you. And the year.
A microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy into chemical energy. The inverters which we use in our homes first convert electrical energy into chemical energy, and later chemical energy back into electrical energy.